So I'm pretty much in like the last half hour of my trip to San Diego for TwitchCon 2025, and I forgot that I didn't do a hotel room tour. So let's do that before I have to check out. So it's pretty standard. You've got basically all your amenities: fridge, sink, stovetop, coffee maker, all that. We have lived in this for about a week already, so don't mind the quickly self-made beds. But you got two of them. They're a good size. I'm about 5'8", so these fit me perfectly. And the buddy I was staying with is 6'4", so that did him okay. Got a nice big TV, table, little chair, lamp. You can see a little bit of the decor here. Some art on the walls. You got your closet with a safe and a steamer. Bunch of room. Not bad. Does the trick. Then over here, you've got your recycling and bathroom, which don't mind the towels. Got a nice big walk-in shower with a light, very nice. And nice big lit mirror and everything. It's pretty simple, but it did everything we needed, so not, well, one complaint. There's one complaint to have about this room, okay? That's over here. That is this door. This door, well, at first it doesn't lock, so it's a slide door, okay? Goes like this. That's the extent of the lock, and you can hear everything from inside out and outside in. So just a heads up on that one. But realistically, that is my only complaint about this room. We've been here for 8 days now, and it has done everything we need. The AC works really well. Lots of air circulation, all that kind of stuff. And honestly, for what it ended up being, I think around $200 a night USD. I'm Canadian, so it's about $250. If you buy it through the Marriot online stuff and do like the guaranteed payment, it knocks off about $5 a day. If you're like the member or whatever, you just sign up for it. But yeah, it works. Figured I'd knock that out before I left in half an hour. So hopefully this helps you guys decide if you want to stay here. It's totally worth it. It's down on 6th Street. Pretty good walking distance from the gas lamp, and seemed pretty safe. Didn't seem too bad for the area. Yeah, hope you guys like that.